I'm guessing you are using Fluent Support for your help desk and supporting system. And if you are using Contact from 7 to get the support data, so you can use our plugin Ultimate Addons for Contact from 7 to connect CF7 with Fluent Support. So let me show you how. So make sure you have these two plugins enabled. A link of a video to help install these should pop up on this screen by now. Please check that if you're not sure how to install these two plugins. Now let's go to Ultimate Addons All Addons, where I search for Webhook and make sure Webhook is enabled here. Now go to Add New Form. Rename this Support, for example. We hit Save. While it's getting saved, you need to go to Fluent Support, Global Settings, Incoming Webhooks. So here, based on the number of invokes you have, Fluent Support will give you this webhook URL here. So if you want to change the URL, you can do so from here. We regenerated the URL and we copy this URL. Now we go to our form and we enable webhook. On the request URL, we paste this URL. Now for the request method, it should be post method and request form should be form data. Now on the request header, you need to add this custom header. So on the header, we select custom value, we post this, and we write content right here. So all these are available on our documentation and can copy it from our documentation. Now we go to request body. So we have 4 different fields here. Let me just copy these 4 items. So first we have the name, we have the email, we have the subject, and we have the message. So we go to Fluent Support here. So for the ticket title, we have the title field key, which we can map with our subject field here. So like this. Now for the content is basically the ticket content. We can map this with the message field here. Now we have only one main feed, so we can map this with the first name here. And we have the email address. Then we can map this here. So based on your form and based on the field available, you can map based on these fields and just showing the basic options. And now let's save this. So we have everything saved. Let's copy this form. Let's publish. Let's view the page. So now let's try to fill up this form. So this is a ticket. I have an issue. Your product. Now let's submit this. Now let's go to our Fluent Support ticket. Let's refresh the ticket. So here you can see we have that ticket. So we have the subject, we have the message body, we have the name, we have the email. So there you go. So we have everything we need, and Fluent Support is now connected with Contact from 7. That's basically it. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.